Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Toyota Avensis. The cabin filter on this car is located in the passenger compartment behind the glove box, so in order to get access to the cabin filter, first we need to remove the glove box. Removing the glove box is pretty straightforward. You just need to pull it out and it comes out. And now we have access to the cabin filter, which is located right there behind this plastic cover. Now that the plastic cover is removed, that's the cabin filter right there. We need to pull it out. Make sure you see the direction of the airflow so that you can put it in the same direction when you're putting on the new one. This is the new cabin filter, and now make sure your airflow is pointing down when you're putting it in. Afterwards, you're going to put the plastic cover back on, and then we're going to put the glove box back on, and then we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.